everyday jungle list.
Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone out there. Enough respect for all the support on the channel. Just want to say maximum props to everybody who's supported the Kickstarter campaign, and also everybody who's just like subscribed and just watched in, man. It's just been so great. The channel's almost hit 5k subs now, and yeah, just thought, felt my heart just to quickly upload a quick hello, and just to say thank you, and also to let you know I'm going to be really going into some tutorials now. Got a couple more weeks left of the holidays. Didn't really upload nothing yesterday. I had a bit of a migraine. Yeah, I hope everyone had a great New Year's Eve, and it all went well. And please comment down below, let me know if anything exciting happened on your New Year's. I'd love to hear that. As well as that, we got Mrs. Noodles here, been keeping me busy as well. Been trying to break this little puppy and get her into the flow of things. Puppy train her, been doing some mad late night walks and stuff, because we just don't want her pooping and peeing in the house. So that's a tricky one, peeps. That's been keeping me busy. Also, on another note, I am trying to configure this Raspberry Pi 3 to run the new Amiga. Apparently it's supposed to be really good on the Amiga software, so I'm going to try and run Octobed on this Raspberry Pi 3. I've got a nice case for it, and I did actually buy an LCD screen for it, but it's apparently the LCD screen looks like, from what I can see, is for the Raspberry Pi 2, not the 3. Yeah, so look out for the videos. They're going to be forthcoming, and I'm going to be working on those today, and also I've got a few in the pipeline. Got the Clashmouth footage, which I'm still working on, and also I've got a breakout cable here courtesy of Juno. It's I haven't even opened it yet. It's like a nice breakout cable to have a multi-out on my Akai, so that I can hopefully bounce straight into my UAD Apollo. So that's kind of where I'm at the moment, people, and I just wanted to say once again, big up to everybody for showing your support. Respect.